Today we'll be checking out our new plugin, that's the WooCommerce Learning Management System plugin that introduces a new product type, that is the course product type, and this helps the admin to create multiple trending online courses within his store. For the courses, the admin can create multiple content sections and can add new content such as video or PDF files under the content and assignment tab. Apart from that, the admin can create the memberships for the online courses which allow the customers to take the benefits or the discounts for the course products there. So in today's video tutorial, we'll be checking out the backend configuration or the initial configuration and the different plugin options that are available to the web store admin for the learning management system there. So we'll check the initial configuration settings, and then we'll be checking out the courses, membership, course orders, membership orders, reports as well. So before we proceed further, please do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to receive the latest updates from our end. And if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. So what I'll be doing is I'll be just taking you to the admin backend panel first, and let's check the initial configuration settings. So I've already logged into the admin backend panel, and after the successful installation of this particular plugin, you'll get the option on the side panel, that's the learning management system, as you can see. And under that we have the courses, where you can create and manage the courses. You can create memberships. You can check the course orders that have been placed by the customers on the storefront. You can check the memberships that have been purchased, so the membership orders are visible. Then the reports for your LMS are there. And lastly, we have the configuration. So first of all, let's go to the configuration section. That's the initial configuration that needs to be done before making use of the plugin itself. So here under the configuration, on the configuration page, we can enable or disable the WooCommerce Learning Management System by checking this option here. Then we can enable or disable the shown number of enrolled students. So here you can see that enrolled users are visible on the front end on the on the uh, uh, on the page there on the content page. Here you can see that on the course product page, here you can see the enrolled number of users there. So you can enable this option to show the enrolled students there. Then you have the enable or disable for the show number of course sections. So you can take this up to show the number of course sections here at the front end. So here you can see that course section is one. Then you can enable the payment gateways for the course purchase. So whatever payment methods you have integrated within your store, that can be used for the payment gateway for the course purchase. Similarly, you can enable the payment gateways for the membership purchase. So these two options are for the course purchase and the membership purchase. So you can choose any of your payment methods there. So we have just chosen the direct bank transfer for both of them. Then you have to just tap here on the save changes to make the initial configuration settings. Now coming to the courses under the learning management system, here you can manage the courses, and you can delete them as well in bulk there. To create a new course, you can tap here on the add new button. You can also edit any of the created courses by tapping here on the edit link, or you can delete and view it from the same. Apart from that, all of the courses are being listed here along with the name, the price, the course sections, the assignments within that, and the enrolled users are visible to the admin there. So to add a new course, you just need to tap here on the add new button, and that will bring up the section wherein we'll be able to add a new course with the course name, the price, and the rest of the details as well. So this brings up the add new product page after you've tapped on the add new course. So here you'll set up the product name, the course name, the description of the same would be added here. Then here under the product data, you have to choose the product type as the course product type, and then after that you can set your regular price for the course. You can set the inventory. Then we have the course details. Now the skill level, language, and requirements, these are visible on the front end. Here you can see that skill level is there, requirements is there. So you can set them up here from here, whether the skill level is basic, intermediate, or advanced. The languages, if it's in multiple languages, you can make use of a comma to separate the languages there. And you can set the requirements for this particular course that you're going to create within this particular requirement section. Then you can go to the course section. Here you can add the course section by tapping on the add new button. You can enter the title and set the sort value for the same. After you have created the course sections here by tapping on the add new button and entering the titles there, then you have to come down to the course content. Here you'll add a new content. So here you'll set the course or the content title, and from the drop down you can choose the course section that you have already created. And for this you can choose the whether it's a content or an assignment, whether you want to display the preview at the storefront or not. So you can choose a PDF file or a video file there, and that would then be visible here. As you can see, if I tap on the preview button, we have this course demo there being displayed to the customer. So this can be set up from the backend by choosing this upload option here. What I'll do is I'll just show you, let me go back to the courses, let me edit one course, and then I'll show you the comparison at the storefront. So let's go to the business economy and let me edit it up. And here you can see that the product name I've set it as business economy. We have the content for the same. So if I go here and let me close this out, let me go to the business economics. So let's open the page there. So here's the basic amount that we need for the product there. Here's the description. Now this description comes from this particular section, this section. Then we are choosing the product type as course type. Then we have set the inventory for the same. Under the course details, we have set the skill level, language, and the requirements as basic English and basic knowledge. So skill level and the requirements. Then we have gone to the course section and we have set up the titles there that are the business economic basic, introduction, and the assignment. So if I go to the course content, here we have the business economic, introduction, and the assignment. That was the title. Now for this section, for the title business economy basics, what we need to do is we need to go to this particular section here. Let me show you that. To the course content section, and here we'll set up the content title as basic, and from the drop down we'll choose the from the created course sections that we have created. Then we can choose the content type. We can set the description. This description is then visible here. This is the title, this is the main title there. And here we can upload a file as well, a PDF file or a video file for the customers to preview the course there. Let me cancel that out. And you can add multiple content titles. So this was the basic, then we had the introduction and the assignment, basic, introduction, and the assignment, and here was the content, and here's the file that we had uploaded. And you can add more by tapping here on the add new button, and then you need to save the changes. And thereafter you'll have to tap here on the save product to save your product, and that's how you can create your course product very easily by navigating to the learning management system and then courses. And after you've created the course, that would then be listed here under the courses section. Now coming to the memberships here you can create multiple number of memberships. You can see that I've created 3 different memberships, and one is for the percentage discount for all courses, reduced cost for all courses, and free access to the all courses. The type is there, the price is there, the time period or the expiry time is there, and the status is enabled for them. For the bulk option, you can delete any of the created ones. So to add a new membership, you'll have to tap here on the add new membership button. Then you'll set up the name of the membership. Then you can choose the type, whether it's free access to all courses or it's reduced cost for all courses. If you're choosing reduced cost for all courses, then you need to choose the reduced cost type, whether it's a fixed or a percentage one, and then you need to enter that amount here depending upon the reduced cost type that you've chosen. Accordingly, then you can set up the reduced cost. Then you can set the validity of the membership there in days. You can set the membership cost that needs to be purchased by the customer for that amount. You can choose the color, you can upload an image for the membership, and then tap here on the save button, and the particular membership would be saved and be visible here. So if I tap here on the for example, here we have the percentage discount, here we have the reduced cost discount. So let's tap here on the edit link for the percentage. So here you can see that I've set the name as percentage discount for all courses. The type is reduced cost for all courses. The reduced cost type is percentage. The cost of or the percentage is 15. The time period of the expiry of this membership is 600 days. The cost for this membership is $55. The color, the image is there, and here from here we can save it as well. So if I go back here uh, and go to the my account section, and here I go to the membership plans, all of those created membership plans would be visible here to the customers itself. So here's the 15% discount on all courses that I was just showing with the image as well, and this is the price of the membership itself. Now let's go back. So that was about the memberships there. Now let's come to the course orders. Whenever the customers are purchasing any of the courses from the storefront, those courses are then being listed here, or the course products are being listed here, and from here the admin can complete the course orders by tapping here on the name of the customer there, and here he can view the order, the date, the status, and the total amount of the courses there. Same goes for the membership orders. Whichever customers have purchased the membership orders, all of those membership orders would be visible here under this particular section, and from here the admin can complete the membership orders as well for the customers. Then comes the reports section. Here the admin can find the complete list of reports for his learning management system. He can view the reports according to the courses or according to the memberships by tapping here on the membership tab, and that would basically bring up the gross revenue, net revenue, orders, average order value, items sold, refunds, discounted orders, gross discounts, total tax, and the order tax for the membership. Same goes for the courses as well. If I tap here on the courses, we can check the same like the charts, net revenue, orders, average value orders, items sold, refunds, discounted orders, gross discount, total tax, and the order tax as well. So from here you can choose the date range basically, and you can update that up for the charts to display the values there. And lastly we have the configuration which we've already gone through there. So yes, that was much about the WooCommerce learning management system, and that's how you can easily create the courses, and how the admin can initially configure the LMS, and how he can set up the course product types, and how he can set up the memberships there, and the rest of the options as well. So I hope that this particular video helped out in understanding the workflow at the admin's end. If you still have any questions, queries, suggestions, or requirements, then kindly do reach back to us at support@webkul.com, or you can also raise a ticket at webkul.ubdesk.com. Apart from that, if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. And lastly, thanks for watching this particular video, and have a great day ahead.